What's up, y'all? So jumping right into the video, today is an updated plucking routine for my girls who wear the wigs, the closures, the frontals, and all that good stuff. The hair that we're working on today is from Wiggins hair. They actually sent me their loose deep wave hair. I went ahead and actually bleached the hair twice so that my fall colors would show up a little better. But today is not about the color, so what you want to do is start by parting off the baby hairs that were already in the frontal, or just like a little thin section in the beginning. You can wet the hair or use whatever you want to use. I don't know. Styling foam, water. I was finna say juice, not juice, but you know what I'm trying to say. So my new method includes kind of pulling the hair back as I'm plucking it. If that makes sense, you'll see my pointer finger kind of like pulling back at the hairline, and that helps me see kind of what I'm working with so far. And once I feel like that section looks pretty flawless and scalp-like, I part off another section and tweeze behind that, and sometimes I tweeze forward from the section that I pulled apart from the other side. I hope that makes sense. It's kind of a visual thing. Just watch and you'll kind of get it. Okay, so once I feel like both of the sections are equally plucked, I comb everything back, spray the front section where I originally pulled out the baby hairs or the little section in the front, and I tweeze that as well to make it look more natural. Okay, so here you'll see the difference between the two sides. The one side is unplugged and this side is very plugged. Okay, this is the hairline, and I don't know what that is over there. To see, you know, if it's like perfect, like perfecto, the way I like it, I put some styling foam on there, and then I go in with my hot comb, just to see how it looks when it's laying all the way back as if it was already on my head. Okay, so once that's finished, I do the sides the same exact way. I get to the middle, same thing. Part off a little thin section, and I start by plucking just straight across. And if you see my previous plucking video, I did like pluck a section, skip, pluck a section, pick. I can't talk. But here I'm just kind of just pulling from any and everywhere. I mean, and then that's why I'm using my thumb to pull back the hair to see what I'm actually working with. One thing I learned plucking all the frontals that I have plucked, sometimes it's better to not be uniform because that's what makes it look so hairliney. I don't even know if that's a word, but y'all know what I'm trying to say. But how much you pluck is really up to you and your liking and how you like your wigs to look. But one thing I do to check the plucking in the middle section is part, like a middle part, to see if it looks a little bald. If it's starting to look a little bald in the front of the part, that means you plucking too much. You need to slow down, calm down. It ain't that serious. And then this is just me going on to the other side and doing the same thing that I did before in the very beginning. But go ahead and keep on watching to see the finished result.
Oh, yeah, fuck a lame nigga. Hello, hello. Fuck you talking, skirt, 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 skirt.